Recent discussions and articles about the Tesla Cybertruck's crash testing have raised several safety concerns, particularly regarding its impact on pedestrians and cyclists. The truck's unique design, featuring a stiff stainless steel exoskeleton, has been a major focus of these concerns. Experts have expressed alarm over the vehicle's heavy weight and high acceleration, which could pose significant risks in the event of a collision with non-occupants such as pedestrians or cyclists. David Friedman, the former acting head of the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, noted that in a crash involving another vehicle with a crumple zone, the Cybertruck's stiffness could result in the other vehicle absorbing more impact. Julia Griswold, director of the University of California, Berkeley's Safe Transportation Research and Education Center, also expressed her concerns after viewing Tesla's crash test videos, highlighting the potential dangers the truck could pose due to its design and performance characteristics. Despite these concerns, Tesla has not yet indicated whether the Cybertruck will be sold in Europe. The vehicle's design may face challenges in meeting EU safety standards, which are particularly focused on protecting pedestrians by limiting external protrusions on vehicles. A statement from the European Transport Safety Council reflected a hope that Tesla would reconsider bringing the Cybertruck to Europe, citing its potential lethality in collisions with pedestrians and cyclists. In the US, vehicle makers are responsible for self-testing and certifying their adherence to safety standards. Elon Musk, in a recent interview, stated that the Cybertruck had passed regulatory review and the first batch of trucks has already been released to buyers. Overall, while the Cybertruck's design and performance characteristics are innovative, they also bring forth significant safety concerns that are being closely scrutinized by experts and regulatory bodies.